Hello, Konstantin there. Today we will talk about the basic structure of HTML document and about the most used tags which you will find on almost every HTML page. Alright, let's write some code. Go to your editor, right click and click New File, and write there index.html. This will be our main page, and all the code will go there. Every HTML page have an HTML tag. All the code goes inside it. Inside HTML tag we should also define so-called doctype. This just will show the browser the type of the document, that this is actually the HTML file. There are two main tags which should be placed inside HTML tag. Those are head and the body. Let's try them. Inside the body tag you have all the code which user will see inside the browser. Inside the head tag we will have quite a lot of meta information, but for now we will have here only one tag which is called title. Title is the text which will appear as the text on the browser tab. Let's write here hello HTML. Alright. And let's write some tags inside the body. Those will be heading tags and paragraph tags. Headings are like the heading of the page, the name of the page, the name of articles on the page, and so on. We are writing headings inside HTML with H1, H2, H3 and so on, from H1 to H6 tag. H1 is the most important, like the name of the page, the name of the website, and H6 is the least important. Okay, let's write here hello HTML as well, and let's write some subheading with H2 heading tag, and we will write here second heading. Now let's write some paragraph tags. Paragraph tags are written in HTML with just one letter P, the P tag. Some paragraph. Paragraph is just a chunk of text. You can have any amount of them on the page. Let's write another one. Alright, cool. Now let's save the file and see how it looks in the browser. Click Ctrl S, and then we will open this file inside the browser. To do that, right click on the file in the File Explorer, and here we have Reveal in File Explorer. Then we will just open a folder with it and just double click on it. Okay, as we see, we have the main heading H1 tag, the subheading H2 tag, and two paragraphs. And here the name of the tag says hello HTML. This is our title inside the head tag. Alright, cool. That's it for it. Hit that like button, subscribe, and happy learning!